In today's video, I'll show you how to install mods in Far Cry 4. Check my video description for this mod installer. Scroll down, select this download for Windows contains only mod installer without any mods. Select the link and download and check my video description for the science download link. Download Golden Path mod contains only Golden Path mod. Once you downloaded these two mod, right click on the installer and select WinRAR and select extract to. Do the same thing for Golden Path. Open the mod installer, open mod installer.exe. Open the FC4 mod installer. Select the language and select continue. Select OK and navigate to game folder. Open bin Far Cry 4.exe and select open. Now go back to downloads. Open this FC4 Golden Path. Drag and drop this bin. Select yes option. Select OK. In this list, turn on the mod you like to install. To install mods, just click on the mod and you will get this tick. Once you turn on the mods you like to use, select install option. Package installed successful. Click on OK. If you want to uninstall mods, select the uninstall mods option. Select the run the game option. Select OK. So it has low privileges to run this. To run the game from here, you need to run this mod installer as administrator. Select yes. Select the run game option. And mods all working. Look at the hands. The character is switched to another character. And mods all working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.